This is removing the front tire off of a DollyXL. We're going to use a heat gun to heat the lug nuts on the axle to loosen them. We're going to rotate around the nuts, get an even heat on it. Each one for about a minute. So now we'll go to the other side and heat it. Okay, now that we got the second lug nut, a lot better surface for gripping. You don't have to worry about slipping. And they will be hot.
That was the issues. It was just
way too much, the whole assembly.
Oh, this thing?
I think the collar's catching on it right there.
Oh.
Flip it over so we can see the valve stem. So we want to take the cap off. And then take the core out. Over, and then we'll take out these 3 bolts right there. You'll be able to edit these video.
So you can take out my dumb questions.
Yeah.
Nice.
I was noticing all the red sloppy paint around it.
Right.
Should be able to pick that up and then I'll let them off. Okay. Comes apart like that. And that comes apart there. Then stick the inner tube out. Okay, we'll take the old inner tube out. We'll get our new inner tube.
Where's our new one?
That's it right there.
Oh, this is our new one?
Yep, that's our new one. Okay, we're going to put that back in. Sit down in there. Okay, then we want to put the half with the hole for the valve stem on. We want to line that up so we can see that that goes in that valve stem hole there. piece together with it. Pull the holes line up. Okay. You get a tripod for this camera.
Right. I could just got something for Christmas that probably would have helped us with this. It's not quite a tripod, but
Oh yeah.
it's like a mountable stand.
Oh. Okay. And then we want to put her back. I put your cord in your valve first. There you go. Okay. There we go. Other side. Now, where did our washer come in at?
Oh,
We had a washer
this one.
in there someplace, yes. Oh, we're on the inside. Okay, put that, yeah, put the shaft through your outside one there.
With the washer on?
No. Okay, now take the outside part out, and put your washer inside.
Oh, I see.
And put your washer in there. And then put your shaft through. Got that inner space in there we got to mind it.
This thing's... Oh, okay, never mind. Good idea.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, now we need to have a spacer back there between the hub and the. Yeah.
Does this thing need to be more secure on
It will when we put these two bolts in here.
there? Okay. These on either side. This isn't bad.
I wouldn't tighten them down, I'd just start them. Kind of hold them in place. Okay, and now we need to put these two screws back in here that holds the brake assembly in place. Go the other way. Our holes line up? I don't think they're lined up, are they? No. Okay, take your wrench and stick it in the other hole, and that way you can use it to line up
I
the.
think I got it.
Okay. There you go. Okay. And tighten down the axle bolts.
Oh, it's on there.
The way. Okay. Now we're ready to put air in. How many PSI? Should say on the tire.
$45.
45 PSI. Okay. All right.